Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your garage door code. First, locate the Learn button on your garage door opener's motor unit, which is typically found on the back or side. Make sure you have your new 4-digit code ready in mind. Also, it's a good idea to check that your remote control has fresh batteries for smooth operation during the process. To begin, you'll need to erase any existing codes from your system. Press and hold the Learn button on the motor unit for approximately 30 seconds. You'll notice the indicator light will turn off, which confirms that all previously programmed codes have been successfully cleared. This crucial step ensures that only your new code will operate the door, enhancing your security. Now, let's program your new code. First, enter your desired 4-digit code on the keypad, then press the Enter button. Next, quickly press and release the Learn button on the motor unit. The garage door opener light will flash once, indicating that your new code has been successfully accepted and stored. This process is quick and straightforward. Finally, it's time to test your newly programmed code. Simply enter the 4-digit code on your keypad and observe if the garage door opens and closes as expected. If the door doesn't respond, don't worry. Just repeat the programming steps carefully from the beginning. For future reference, consider writing down your new code and storing it in a secure, memorable place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.